In this video, I want to show you my 7 favorite YouTube features that I use both in the classroom and in my personal life. The first feature is Playback Speed. I watch a lot of video tutorials, and whether I watch them on YouTube or another video streaming platform, I often watch the video at a faster speed than normal. Additionally, I've worked with science teachers who have had students record their science experiments and play them back at a slower speed to study exactly what happened. To change a playback speed in YouTube, click on the gear icon, click Playback Speed, and select the speed you would like to change a video to. You can speed it up, or you can slow it down. The second feature is closed captions. I recommend that whenever you show a video in your classroom, you turn on closed captions. This feature also comes in handy when I want to watch a video without sound, or when I'm watching some of my favorite British shows, closed captions come in handy. To turn on closed captions, simply click on the subtitle closed captions icon along the bottom. You'll notice that the icon is underlined in red. That means closed caption is turned on. To turn off closed caption, simply click on the icon to turn them off. The third feature is theater mode. I'm a very visual person, and the default view in YouTube includes videos listed on the side, which I find really distracting. By clicking on the theater mode icon, it not only enlarges the video, it removes the visual clutter on the side. To view your video in theater mode, click on the theater mode icon located along the bottom. The fourth feature is turning off autoplay. I know this feature isn't really a big deal, but I'm not a fan of YouTube automatically playing another video for several reasons. Firstly, I might be giving a presentation and might not be able to get to my computer in time to pause the next video that automatically plays. Or I might be reading the comment section for more information, and when the next video autoplays, the comment section disappears. To turn autoplay off, click on the slider icon along the bottom. YouTube will tell you whether you have autoplay on or off simply by hovering over the icon. The fifth feature is open transcripts. I often watch videos that cover multiple topics on a particular subject. Some video creators include timestamps in the description box so that viewers can jump to the section that they want to watch. However, that's not always available. So one of my workarounds that I often do, I open the transcript and use keyboard shortcuts to find keywords. Look for the 3-dot menu icon below the video and click Open Transcript. So instead of trying to guess where in the video the content I'm looking for is, by opening up the transcript and using keyboard shortcuts Control F on a PC or Command F on a Mac, I can search by keyword and find exactly what I'm looking for. I can type in some function. Now this shortcut will search for the keyword on the entire page. As you can see, it's turned up 9 results. The first 4 that came up were included in my description box, but as you can see, I can cycle through them and see exactly where some function is mentioned in the video. I can simply click on the text and it will bring me to the exact moment that I am looking for. The sixth feature is Miniplayer feature. Sometimes when I'm watching a video, I might want to search for another video the person mentioned, or maybe I want to continue searching while the video is playing. In the past, I would have to open up another tab to do this. The Miniplayer feature, however, allows users to multitask and watch and listen to a video while continuing their search on YouTube. Simply click on the Miniplayer icon to enable it, continue to search, and when you're ready, you can always hover over the video, click on the expand icon, and return to your default view. The seventh feature is keyboard shortcuts. YouTube has several keyboard shortcuts, and while I wish I could say I have them all memorized, I don't. However, there are a few I use all the time, and those are the ones that are burned into my memory. My favorite keyboard shortcuts are pause and unpause a video by using the space bar, adjust the volume by using the up and down arrow keys, rewind 5 seconds or fast forward 5 seconds by using the left and right arrow keys. And when I'm showing or watching a video in full screen mode, you can use the escape key to exit out of full screen mode. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.